what's up guys, this is Akhilan from Akhilan Tech. And guys, you know one of the most popular social media app right now is Instagram. And you might be having an account in the Instagram social media platform. So watch the video till the end because I will be sharing some of the tricks that you can use in Instagram so that your experience will be great in Instagram. So let's get started. Guys, if you still don't follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at the name Akhilan Tech. You can find my username on the screen nudging out there. So you can just use our username and follow me on Instagram. And well, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon so that you'll be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. So let's get into the video.
So the first Instagram trick is that if you want to disable the live notifications, then you can use this trick. For that, you have to just go to the settings and then you have to just click on this notification, and next you have to go to live and IGTV, and after you click on that, you can see all the live videos, IGTV video uploads and those other settings. Then you have to just turn off these live videos, and if you just turn off these live videos, the notification from this IGTV videos will be stopped from your notification bar. And the next trick in the video is the linking multiple social media accounts. See, for example, if you have posted a photo in the Instagram and the same photo if you want to post in the Twitter or any other social media platform, then you can just post that directly from a click. For that, you have to just go to the settings again, and in that you have to just go to the account and you have to just scroll down. You can see the linked accounts there, and after you click that, you can see you can link your Twitter, Tumblr, Ameba and OK.ru accounts, and you can just post directly the post that you have posted in the Instagram directly to your Facebook and Twitter. We mostly use this Facebook and Twitter, so you can use this trick if you want. You can see I've just linked my Facebook account with this so that if I post anything on Instagram, post it to the Facebook. And the next trick is that if you want to see the profile picture in the full screen mode, then you can follow this trick. For that, you have to just go to the Chrome and you have to just type the instadp.com. And after I visited the website, I will leave the link in the description below. You can just click that link. You have to just search the username, that is Akhilan Tech. I am typing for now. You can search anything if you want. Just click on search button. You have to just wait for a moment to just click on the results, and when you just get down, you will have an option of full size, and to just click on that full size, and again you have to just get down. You can see this is the profile picture of mine in the full size. If you want, you can just see that I can even download the image directly from there. And the next trick in the list is if you want to know how much time you spend on the Instagram account in a day, then you can follow this trick. For that, again you have to go to the settings, and after you have gone to the settings, you will have an option of account. You just click on account, and at the top you can find the your activity. You have to just click on that. You can see my daily average on Instagram is around 4 minutes, not more than that, because my schedule will be very hectic, so I don't spend a lot of time on Instagram. You can see on the Thursday I spent around 7 minutes, and today also I spent around 8 minutes. You can see on the screen 8 minutes. And if you want to think that I don't want to use more than 1 hour on Instagram, then you can also set a reminder if you want. So like this, you can even track your daily activity on Instagram. And the next trick in the list is if you want to save your mobile data while you're browsing the internet, because you'll be using for 1 to 2 hours the most average daily spent on Instagram time. So if you want to just limit the data usage on your Instagram, then you can use this trick. For that, again you have to just head to the settings and again to the accounts, and here you have an option of cellular data usage. You just on the data saver, and then the high resolution media will be just downscaled a little bit so that your data will be saved, and you can follow this trick if you want to just use it with the less mobile data.
And that's all from this video. If you find this video is informative, hit that like button and share it to your friends as much as possible. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box below because I'll definitely answer your questions. Do subscribe my channel by clicking the Akhilan Tech logo and clicking subscribe button. This is Akhilan signing off. I'll catch you in my next video. Cheers!